Okay, I've been testing out this, well, the name I can't pronounce. KONPCOIU body cam. What comes in the box, the camera itself, micro USB, card reader, just a regular card reader, not high speed or anything. They provide a SanDisk 64 gigabyte card, which is nice. Owner's manual and other documentation that no one cares about. Got a reset tool here too. So when it freezes up, you could use this to push a button and reset it. It's a tiny little screen, buttons to control it. You know, micro USB, there's an SD card slot right here. This is your buttons to control whether or not you want to record video or audio, or save video or audio. On-off switch. I think that's the microphone, I think. Or it might be the reset button, I'm not sure. And yeah, this is the lens. It's not rotatable or anything, it just points in one direction. So to turn it on, hold on, press that. On the screen comes on in the back. Yeah, it starts recording instantly because I have it in recording mode. To start, you know, recording mode, to record video, you press it up to record video. To record audio, you press this up to record audio, and then you disable the video. You see it starts recording audio now. To record video, not record audio, you press to video mode up, and then you disable the audio. It starts recording video now. So there you go. If you turn it off completely, you have it in video mode. So video mode, and you don't have it in audio mode. Audio is disabled, but video is enabled. You turn it on. Long press. The reason I'm wearing gloves is because I don't want to get fingerprints all over it. It looks like this thing is a fingerprint magnet, so that's why I'm wearing gloves. I don't want to get my fingerprints all over it for the purposes of this video. All right, so you turn it on. Long press down. It turns on, and you have it in video mode. Remember. So it automatically, it's got one touch, you know, record, so it automatically starts recording video. So there you go. There's the lens. You try not to get your fingerprints all over the lens to get it messed, you know, to mess it up, because it'll compromise the video quality, obviously. And that's pretty much it. There's not much else to, you know, there's a little thing to hang it on your strap or your car keys or whatever. And that's it. That's pretty much it. You turn it off, hit the on off, long press down. And that's it, it's off now. Turn it on. To record video, so automatically starts recording video. So then to stop recording video and put it in standby mode, you just press it down like that. So now it stops recording video and it's in standby mode now. Same thing with audio. If you disable video, you enable audio. That's recording audio now. And then to disable it, or to stop recording audio and put it in standby mode, press it down. Now it's in standby mode now. Not recording, it's not recording video anymore. Or audio. So there you go. Yeah, that's it. The, I can't pronounce this word. KONPCOIU body camera. I'll leave a link in the description in case you're interested in buying it. See, does it support charging while recording? Yeah, it does support charging while recording. It's charging and recording at the same time. So there you go. It has no video stabilization and it's not waterproof. What else you got here? Alright, so here's the owner's manual. You can pause the video right there if you want to read anything. There's the technical specifications. USB 2.0, that's not high speed. Whatever. It supports up to 128 gigabyte. Lithium battery, 400 milliamp hour. Videos AVI format, 1920 by 1080. Oh, you gotta go into a TXT file to set the time. Video bitrate is around 20 megabits per second. That's what I got. So, you know, yeah. So that's it. Yeah, so there it is. The KONPCOIU body camera. Mini body camera. There'll be a link in the description in case you want to buy it or anything. Alright, thanks for watching. Check 1 2 3, testing 1 2. It's a tiny camera. It's a, you know, camera you put in your keychain or something like that. I'll leave a link in the description.